When I was 4.5 years old, my riggedy-roo-aw dad smacked me in the back of the head with a steering wheel. I pushed my grandpa into oncoming traffic because he changed the channel to Family Feud. I farted and a poopy almost slipped out.
Pablo.
My dad tried to hit me with a cast iron pot. I forgot to turn the stove off and burned down the whole house. I created an explosive bomb and put it in my sister's lunchbox and blew her to smithereens. What's up, guys? It's Quandale Dingle here. I have been arrested for multiple crimes, including battery on a police officer, grand theft, declaring war on Italy, and public indecency. I will be escaping prison on March 28th. After that, I will take over the world. Greetings, Quandale Dingle here. My cousin Henry Bartholomew Dinglenut got arrested for putting a TNT in a daycare center. I put a camera in Joe Biden's bathroom and watched him take a poop. My Asian brother Quan Ling Ling Dingle put illegal substances in my ramen and I died. Hey fellas, it's Quandale Dingle here. I put perks in Vladimir Putin's drink and he went to bed for a really long time. I trapped my autistic son's hand in an air fryer. I dumped boiling water on a prison guard's head. My goofy-ah friend Jamarius Quangledangle tried to eat my butt during Ramadan. My goofy-ah uncle tried to get me to touch his weenie doodle. My mom caught him and beat him with a pan. I created an explosive bomb and put it in my sister's lunchbox and blew her to smithereens.
It's the Cambrian explosion.